You taught a machine to learn. We did this too. On my planet, it took 4 days. Yours took somewhat longer, but you got there. Machine learning is AI, where instead of writing rules, you show the system millions of examples and let it figure out the rules itself. Traditional programming: if the email says prince and asks for bank details, spam. Fine, but you'd be writing rules forever. Machine learning: give it 10 million labeled emails and say, you figure it out. It finds patterns humans never would have coded. 3 types: supervised, labeled data. Most AI you use today. Unsupervised, find the patterns yourself. Reinforcement, reward success, penalize failure. How AI learns games. The model doesn't know the rules. It extracted them from data, teaching a child to recognize fruit, textbook, or just put 50 mangoes in front of them. The second method is slower to set up, but the child ends up with intuition. They can recognize a mango they've never seen before. Machine learning gives computers that same intuition. On my planet, we have a word for it: XAEVON, knowledge that cannot be spoken, only shown. Next, how ChatGPT actually works. It involves something called a transformer. I have opinions about the name.